When you open your inbox every morning, you probably see dozens of messages that look harmless, yet phishing emails hide among them like wolves disguised as sheep, and this project teaches you how to build an AI system that spots them instantly. Here we focus on an NLP-powered model that reads email text, interprets sender details, and examines embedded links to understand whether the message is safe or malicious. This matters because phishing drives almost all modern breaches, and AI-generated emails now look so human that traditional filters fail. Real companies rely on this technology for Gmail and Outlook protection, banking safeguards, government communication security, and even educational institution safety. You will build skills in analyzing text patterns, detecting suspicious metadata, and understanding email structures in a way that recruiters value highly. You will eventually use these capabilities to create a system that gives real-time protection, something every major organization needs in 2025, 2027, and beyond. The job roles, hiring demand, and tech stack you'll learn make this project a strong addition to your portfolio. To build a phishing detection model that stands out, you need both strong NLP foundations and the security mindset, because you're not just classifying text, you're detecting psychological manipulation hidden inside emails. Start by strengthening your understanding of embeddings, transformers, and ML classification techniques. Then combine them with Python development and careful feature engineering so the system learns how attackers disguise malicious content. You will use frameworks like Scikit-learn, BERT, Roberta, SpaCy, and NLTK to build the core logic, and tools like BeautifulSoup to parse messy HTML that often hides malicious links. You'll also practice URL inspection techniques and learn email protocol fundamentals, since attackers use tricks in headers and metadata that beginners often miss. Soft skills matter too, especially threat intelligence, social engineering awareness, and pattern recognition, because phishing is psychological and technical at the same time. Recruiters love students who can manage false positives, think like attackers, and still design clean, reliable ML systems. These skills prepare you directly for cybersecurity AI roles. Building this project starts with assembling the right datasets, and here you'll work with sources like Enron, Fishtank, and Nasario while also collecting legitimate emails so your model learns balanced behavior. Think of this as teaching your model to distinguish a genuine message from one that feels off, just like humans do when something seems suspicious. You'll label threats by category, credential theft, malware, scams, and extract features that reveal hidden cues, such as sender reputation, domain age, urgency keywords, grammar inconsistencies, and attachment behavior. Then you'll combine two powerful modeling paths, a metadata-based random forest and a content-focused BERT model, creating a hybrid system that mirrors what enterprise email gateways use. URL reputation checks via VirusTotal add another defense layer. Finally, you deploy your system as a browser extension or email gateway filter using FastAPI, with explainability features that tell users why an email was flagged. Expect 8 to 10 weeks for beginners and around 5 to 7 for intermediate builders. This project opens several high-value cybersecurity AI roles, because companies urgently need engineers who can defend against increasingly realistic phishing attacks. By mastering NLP classification, threat detection logic, transformer models, and metadata analysis, you position yourself for roles such as email security engineer, threat detection specialist, NLP security engineer, and security data scientists, all of which are growing rapidly in 2025 to 2027. Recruiters specifically look for candidates who understand phishing tactics, can manage classification performance under real-world constraints, and have deployment experience that proves you can build systems that run at scale. So, companies like Proofpoint, Mimecast, Barracuda, Microsoft, and Google hire engineers with these skills, and salaries range from 8 to 17 LPA in India to $85,000 to $145,000 in the US. Your resume becomes stronger the moment you add keywords like phishing detection, transformer-based NLP, email security, and threat intelligence. This is one of the most practical and employable AI projects you can build today. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.